First off, the SMA-24J stands out immediately because of its slim and lightweight design. It's definitely thinner than competitors like the Signal Stuff Super Elastic and Diamond SRH-77CA. Personally, I find this thin profile handy because it's less intrusive when you're using your handheld transceiver while walking around. Unlike thicker antennas, you're less likely to be annoyed when it inevitably hits you in the face. Performance-wise, the Comet significantly improves your signal compared to typical stock antennas. You will notice an immediate difference, especially on 70cm band, with clearer signals and improved repeater access. If you've got something like the Yaesu FT60R, you'll absolutely see improvements over your stock rubber duck antenna. But here's where we need to be real. The Comet SMA-24J isn't exactly a powerhouse on the 2-meter band. Compared to some stock antennas from Chinese brands like Oshun or even improved Baofeng antennas, the difference might be negligible. When looking at durability, here's a heads up. The SMA-24J feels delicate. Many hams, including myself, have noticed a tendency for it to bend permanently, or even break near the base after minor drops or knocks. If you're tough on your gear, maybe you're biking or hiking a lot, expect this antenna to potentially fail sooner than you'd like. Comet really needs to reinforce that base area to withstand typical mobile ham use. In direct comparison to similar antennas like the Diamond SRH-77CA, the Comet generally wins out in terms of slimness and usability, but falls slightly behind in durability. Compared to Signal Stuff's offering, performance is about equal, but Signal Stuff edges out in ruggedness. Yet for everyday pedestrian use, I'd argue the Comet's balance of performance, comfort, and price make it a better choice for most average users. The price point is fair. It's not the absolute best bargain out there. You can find cheaper options from brands like MFJ, but for this price, you get a reliable upgrade from your stock antenna without needing deep pockets. So should you get it? If you're primarily operating on the 70cm band and appreciate a slimmer, lighter antenna, the Comet SMA-24J is definitely worth your consideration. However, if you're looking for something robust to withstand rugged use or noticeably improved VHF performance, you might want to look elsewhere. To sum up, what we like is the lightweight and slim design, the noticeable improvement over stock antennas on 70cm, the good overall upgrade for casual use, and the fair price point. On the downside, fragile build, prone to bending or breaking, the minimal improvement on the 2-meter band, and the mixed performance compared to other quality antennas. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check out current prices for all these antennas for handheld ham radios in the description below.